Hey everyone! What if I told you that I've discovered a platform that can automatically generate a complete full-stack web application for you without the need to write a single piece of code? In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I build a workout tracker web application, where a user can log their workouts, categorize them under different types such as cardio, strength, or yoga, and instantly see a dynamic chart displaying their weekly or monthly workout distribution. By only giving instructions to this tool, you are capable of producing any kind of web app you desire, adjust it to your needs, and publish it so that it becomes available publicly for others to use. With that being said, let's begin right away. The platform we'll be exploring today is called Dualite, and what really makes it stand out is that it's now fully integrated with Supabase. This basically means you can build applications that come with user authentication, real databases, file storage, and even APIs, all by simply typing prompts directly into the program without relying on any external tools or services. Getting started is super easy. Just click the first link in the video description, which will take you straight to Dualite's landing page. From there, hit the Try Dualite button, and you'll instantly have the ability to create your own account. Once you've registered and logged in, you'll arrive right at the program's interface, exactly like the one I'm showing you on the screen right now. Creating a new app with Dualite is super simple. All you need to do is describe what you want to build, and the system takes care of all the technical work automatically. You also get to choose the framework you want to use, like React with Tailwind, React with Chakra, plain HTML with CSS, HTML with Tailwind, Angular with CSS, Vue with Tailwind, or even React with multiple design options. Yep, that's right. You can generate a fully functional app with Dualite using any of these choices. Next, you pick your programming language, either TypeScript or JavaScript. And here's a really cool feature. You can even upload an image, and Dualite will replicate the same design from your image into your app. For designers, if you have a Figma file, there's a button to upload it so you can seamlessly continue building your project. And if you already have an ongoing project that you want to continue in Dualite, there's a button to import directly from GitHub, allowing Dualite to pick up where you left off and expand your project further. There's also an icon right in the interface that lets you connect your Supabase account directly to Dualite. And for those who aren't familiar, Supabase is an open-source backend-as-a-service platform designed to make building web, mobile, and AI applications much easier. It comes packed with features like user authentication, data storage, serverless edge functions, real-time updates, and more, all of which can be integrated directly into your app. Connecting Supabase to Dualite is super straightforward. First, click on Select Organization, pick your organization, and then authorize your Dualite account. Once that's done, click this button to create a new project within your organization. You'll then be redirected to the Supabase website, where you can name your project. I named mine Workout Tracker. Set a password for your database, and choose either the recommended server region or any other region from the list. After hitting Create New Project, just wait a little while until the project status turns ready. When it turns green, it means everything is active and good to go. At this point, head back to Dualite and sync your project. Click Sync, select your project, and Dualite will connect directly with Supabase. You'll see a green checkmark confirming that your project has been successfully integrated. Now, the application we're aiming to construct is a workout tracker, where users will have the ability to log new workouts, categorize them into types such as cardio, strength, flexibility, HIIT, or yoga, and monitor their weekly or monthly workout distribution. It also includes an option to export workout history as a CSV or Excel file, which will automatically be placed inside a Supabase Storage bucket and recorded in the database as well. Users can either rely on built-in categories or freely add new ones. This is the main app we're focusing on, but keep in mind, with Dualite, you can create literally any type of app you imagine. After preparing my description prompt for the app, I pasted it into the field, pressed the Send button, and immediately the process started. The terminal window is where you can observe the results. Here, the AI begins producing the files, integrating them together, and presenting the outcome. At this point, the AI is busy generating all the source code, and we simply wait until it's finished. Once it completes, we see the results shown within the interface. According to the platform, the application produced is fully functional, equipped with a professional and contemporary design, that adapts perfectly to desktops, tablets, and smartphones. The next action required is to press Apply Change to grant access. If you face an error, just click on the provided option to fix it, and Dualite will automatically correct any issues within your app. So, shortly after that, the system started generating the login interface. Here, the user is prompted to enter their email and password to log in, or to create a new account if they don't already have one. Now, if you're not happy with any part of the design, you can simply instruct Dualite to modify it. You can even provide a screenshot of a design you prefer, and the system will redesign the interface accordingly. At this point, the application was fully completed. All the features you need for a daily expense tracker were already integrated. The next stage? Testing. I started by creating an account, and then I tried logging in. At first, when I entered my email and password, the system told me the credentials were invalid. This simply meant I needed to sign up properly first. So I clicked on Sign Up, and I was prompted to confirm my email. Almost instantly, I received an email with a verification link. But here's a tip. If you don't want this email verification step for your users, you can easily disable it in Supabase. Just go to the Authentication settings, then Sign In Providers, and turn off the email verification option. After saving the changes and refreshing the page, I created a new account without needing any email confirmation. This time, after entering my email and password, I successfully reached the main interface of the application. From here, I was able to add exercises, export them as CSV or JSON, and filter them by categories like cardio, strength, flexibility, HIIT, or yoga. All the default categories were available, and users could also filter by date ranges. To test this out, I created an entry for a running workout for 30 minutes under the cardio category. I added today's date, included the optional note, morning jog. The exercise appeared immediately in the recent activities list, and the dynamic chart updated in real time to reflect the weekly and monthly distribution of workouts. Then I ran an additional test by adding another entry for a weightlifting session lasting 45 minutes under the strength category, with the note upper body focus. The tracker updated instantly, and the chart accurately reflected the distribution of exercises by type and duration. This system makes it super easy to see exactly how your workouts are spread out over time, giving you a clear visual of your progress. Next, I pressed the download option for the CSV export. The file was downloaded instantly, and when I opened it up, I could see that all the records were perfectly structured and neatly stored. The great thing here is that the file isn't just read-only. You can actually edit it if you open it with a text editor, or even import it into tools like Excel. And of course, if you want to share that file with someone else, that's super easy too. Then, back inside Supabase, I navigated over to the Storage section. This is basically the area where all uploaded files are organized and kept. As soon as I opened it, sure enough, there it was, the exact same file I had just exported, sitting there safely. Not only was the file present, but it was stored securely, which means Supabase handled the upload correctly and without any errors. That kind of reliability really gives you peace of mind that your data is safe and managed properly. If at any moment you want to change the interface, it's really simple. You just tell Dualite what changes you want, and it will adapt the design to your preferences. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and publish your app online. To do this, just press the Publish button. You'll be prompted to connect your Netlify account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up, then authorize Dualite to access your account. After that, just click Go Live. Dualite will handle everything from building and deploying your project to hosting it online. You can even assign your app to a custom domain inside your Netlify account if you want it to look more professional. Once the deployment is finished, you'll get a URL. I copied that URL and opened it in a new browser tab. And just like that, the home page loaded immediately, clean and user-friendly, exactly as expected. This step really shows how quickly you can go from building an app to seeing it live on the web without touching any code. Another great feature of Dualite is that it allows you to access the full source code of your app. By clicking on the Code button, you can view all the generated files neatly organized, and you have the freedom to review or edit them anytime you want. If you want to share your code with others, you can connect your GitHub account and push the repository there, making it available to anyone you choose. So in summary, by just describing your idea, Dualite generates the entire application, hooks it up with Supabase, and even helps you launch it online. In this demonstration, we created a working, responsive, and modern workout tracker app with no manual coding involved. If you'd like to try it, click the first link in the description, head over to Dualite, and start describing the application you'd like to build. It will handle the rest for you. That's everything I had to share in this session, and I truly hope you found it valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if this helped you, and leave any questions down below in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to respond. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.